I showed why I keep losing my. Oh, there it go. Damn. I be thinking I lost my drink. Say he got me on the TV too. Are they running 6 seconds? Hell no, these motherfuckers in the folds. Trying to touch a 3. He talking about a 6. Hey, my boy Mad Cow Mark, he want me to stay on a little bit longer. He didn't put some donations in since I've been live for 5 hours. He feels sorry for me because he's saying they only had donated $7. Oh shit, some more. I want to see a fight. Ain't nobody doing nothing.
Chase him! Chase him!
I want to see somebody do something. Man, they did. Yeah. Why you ain't say shit?
He didn't give me one. Not me. He didn't get me.
What happened?
Yeah, he tricked all y'all. That way he didn't trick me.
Trying to see if you can make a test hit or not. That was no full pass.
Pass out.
Give me quarters. Man, I was reaching in for my drink. Yesterday was I got you wrong.
Hey!
I was hoping that would come taste away.
Well, they're gonna taste me because he was against the fence.
Let me see. I don't think I got no more fans that want no hat. So I'm finna put this up. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I might go get me a spray. Order me a bottle of Dr. Pepper. Yeah, man, my boy, nah, ain't nobody passed out. My boy, Mad Cow Mark, he the only reason that y'all, hey, still alive right now. He felt sorry for me. He felt like $7 an hour wasn't enough when there's 2,000 people watching. I was feeling the same way. I just didn't say nothing. I was feeling the same way though. Hey! It's a lot of people, boy. Sometimes we ain't getting a track entry in this motherfucker. If I didn't say nothing, hell, I wouldn't have enough to get in the track. Bobby, we see you, Bobby. Bobby. You seen that motherfucker, Bobby? That motherfucker owed me $25 motherfucking dollars. Nah, this ain't the end, but I can make it the end. Bet on it. I don't want to bet. Hey, y'all, I'm glad I had to reset the iPhone. I'm glad that the iPhone started back working properly. We only had 2 buffers all night. That's 1 every 2.5 hours. That's pretty good. Oh man, Cole, you gone? That's my boy. Man, when is this over? Is that Cletus old Marauder? Nah. Ain't nothing happened. If y'all want to see it in HD, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. I ain't had no battery problems today. Let me see, got 25% over there. 43%. Oh, this the daily driver finals, y'all.
My car got everything except for the front.
Pep and State True Martinez. I'm still out here, man.
Oh, no.
How the hell he get in the street car class? Excuse me. Am I coming to Paris? What? Oh. You coming to Paris Dragstrip for Olympic race July 8th? Let me see. Who's sponsoring that? If I can get some sponsors. I need to get some sponsors. I need some sponsors, y'all. Anybody got a business, want to sponsor Lookout Racing? Want to maybe put your logo in the corner or something? Let me shout you out, promote your business or something, man. I got all these thousands of people watching. Anybody own a business?
Hey, look out.
Look out. Anybody own it? You know they say you can put it on your taxes and write me off. I don't got nobody, no business they be doing right off. Want to add Lookout Racing? Let me sponsor. No, look out for me.
You have a hat?
I got the hat. I just put the, yeah, I got hats.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
You do speak Spanish, right?
See, I speak Spanish. Damn, he goosing the gas again.
How much is it?
20, yeah. We're gonna go around there in a minute and get it. Uno momento.
Okay.
In the VIP.
Oh, the...
In the gate. Okay. Let me see.
I always watch you, man.
Already. He say he always watch me, y'all. I gotta go back around there and get him a hat.
TikTok.
Oh, you found me on TikTok?
Yeah.
Damn, boy, TikTok do be traveling.
I'm from Guatemala.
Who? Guatemala? Damn, you were watching me in Guatemala? Damn. Man, he all the way in Guatemala watching me, man. Golly, I ain't know it was all the way out there. Damn, he said Guatemala. I don't even know what the fuck this is.